This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Gary Harte. Custom home. 600 square feet. Fully insulated detached matching brick workshop. Luxury throughout. One of 5 custom homes backing up to Wolf River Preserve. No future development. Upgrades galore. New roof and exed paint. Open floor plan great for entertaining. Arched doorways with tall smooth ceilings. Chef's kitchen. All brick/stone exterior. Media room with Bose sound system. Wide plank, 3/4 inch, clear walnut floors. Electric car charging station. Gas fire pit. 2 laundry rooms, up and down. For more information, review the details below or contact Gary Harte at 901